Raw true and false reports look sloppy. Today, we are upgrading our workflow by nesting the AND formula inside an if statement. Welcome back to Systematic Sheet 7. Nesting allows you to replace X's default answers with your own custom text. The if function asks a question and the AND function set the rules. Type is equal to if, open parentheses, in cell D2 to start. Now, embed our rules. Type and, open parentheses, B2 is greater than 5000, comma, C2 greater than equal to 4, close parentheses, and add a comma. Next, type the value if true in quotation marks, that is bonus, add another comma, and type the value if false in quotation marks, that is no bonus. Close the parentheses and hit enter. Flash fill the column down. Instead of a messy logical spreadsheet, you now have a professional automated report showing exactly who earned a payout and who missed the targets. You have officially mastered nested logical chains. If this step by step tutorial upgraded your spreadsheet game, smash that like button. Subscribe to the Systematic Sheet 7 channel, and I will see you in the next build.